Oftentimes, I get to share things with everyone, such as grow lights. One of the things that means a lot to me is to be able to show everyone actual results from lights. You hear a lot of things like PFD, par values, you hear lux, you hear daily light integrals. But if you just want to push all that aside for a moment, what you really want to look for in a lot of lights is actual results. What does it do for me? So this light is from Mars Hydro. It's the TS1000. And what I would like to show you today is how it has performed, or actually outperformed, my expectations. And here you have it. What's growing is a zucchini plant. Actually, there's a couple zucchini plants growing underneath this Mars Hydro light. And anyone who knows bush summer squash would realize that this particular plant requires a lot of sunlight to grow, as well as to flower and to start to produce fruits. Now, this has become quite massive in spite of being a dwarf variety. The variety is green tiger, and it is known for being parthenocarpic and being able to set fruit without pollination, as well as having very tasty squash that could be easily prepared in the kitchen. Now, as I come in down a little bit closer onto this plant, you can see that it's already starting to flower. It's growing in 50% cocoa, 50% perlite. The light intensity is equivalent to about the middle of summer, the light intensity that would fall outdoors in a lot of gardens. And it was originally started 22 inches above the plant, and as you can see that not only do the lower leaves look healthy and giant, but the new leaves up here on the top are also looking very healthy. And that is literally amazing, because these upper leaves are only about 6 inches below the light, but yet they're not burning. So just to conclude this quick summary, the light is one of my favorites. It was one that I wasn't quite sure about, but actually, based on my favorite standard of measure, productivity, I would have to say that the Mars Hydro light is one of my new favorite lights.